2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and ORAGON All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundaze Hotel, Lemon Residences, Tantan Apartelle, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, GOLDTRANS BTS, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF-College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Caceres, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Claypot Cafe, AET Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jaz Tire Master, Soul Fleet Naga, Digital Grapix, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Cancer Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safe Side Transport, Nalabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bike Center, Carl's Catering, Warning Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tanshahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, and Ruffian's Tavern Bar and Lounge.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Lemon Residences, official residence of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marahay na aldaw Amando Cope College, participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Lemon Residences.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and ORAGON All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
we're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this is your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game? Absolutely.
Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department, changing the game.
Tantan Apartelle, official residents of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marhay na aldaw OLIVARES College, Parañaque City. Participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Tantan, Apartelle.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and ORAGON All-Stars. Get your tickets now. Your quest begins with a single step, where passion meets purpose, and learners become leaders. This is where champions in healthcare are made, with AI-powered, world-class, real-life simulating laboratories, top-tier clinical instructors, healthcare industry innovation-focused curriculum, and skills management. The Naga College Foundation College of Health Sciences is your premier choice in excellent healthcare education. Change the game. Be a champion. Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, official residents of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marhay na aldaw Faith Colleges, Tanawan City, Batangas. Participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City.
Dagos po kamo sa Summit Resort and Sport Hub.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
The new Bachelor of Science in Interior Design degree at the University of Nueva Caceres is tailored for students passionate about creating functional and aesthetically pleasing interior spaces. This program at the University of Nueva Caceres is set to launch this semester, marking a revolutionary step in bringing the art of design to the heart of the Bicol region. The program combines elements of art, design, psychology, and architecture to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of interior design principles. Students will have the chance to explore various design styles, materials, and technologies, allowing them to develop their creativity and design expertise. Through hands-on projects and internships, students will learn how to transform interior spaces while considering factors such as sustainability, accessibility, and user experience. Upon completion of the program, graduates will be prepared to pursue careers as professional interior designers in residential, commercial, hospitality, and other design sectors.
Sundaze Hotel, official residence of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marhay na aldaw GUANG College of Tagaytay City, participants in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo, igdi sa Sundaze Hotel.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now. The 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundaze Hotel, Lemon Residences, Tantan Apartelle, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, GOLDTRANS BTS, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF-College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Caceres, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Claypot Cafe, AET Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jaz Tire Master, Soul Fleet Naga, Digital Grapix, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Cancer Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safeside Transport, Nalabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga.
Marahay na hapon mga Oragon. We are here at the UNC Sports Palace to witness this fiery battle between the Sea Lions versus the Tigers. Talagang aabang-abangan natin tong ating laban kasi both teams are actually defending champions. Kakapanalo lang dito ng Sea Lions sa UCCL, and the NCF Tigers known for being the champions of Naga City. And of course, my name is Nino Mendoza, one of your commentators for this game.
And of course, talaga namang ninyo kaabang-abang po ang ating semifinals dahil nakilala na nga po natin ang unang maglalaban para sa ating semi-final round. It's the Olivares College and the Naga College Foundation Tigers. So after the elimination round, yung ating NCF Tigers ang ating top 2 doon sa elimination round. Kaya naman sila ang nakakuha ng spot para kalabanin ang kanilang rival na Olivares College.
Magandang laban to actually, partner, kasi makikita mo na with the height advantage na meron dito, ay wala nga masyadong lumalamang sa height eh. Makikita mong napatas lang yung sizing ng mga players natin. Kaya makikita talaga tayo ng bakbakang laban para sa hapon na ito. And sa ating mga live stream viewers, meron din tayong next game, the WB Sofia versus the Oragon All-Stars. Kaya abangan nyo Team Livestream kasi mainit-init ang sunod-sunod na laban dito sa ating hapon. And
Pero mamaya babalikan po natin at kikilalanin natin kung sino ba ang Olivares College para sa mga hindi pa po nakakapanood ng laban nitong ating grupong ito. Ang Olivares College po ang champion natin sa UCCL Season 19 kung saan nakalaban po nila sa finals ang GUANG College. At para makarinig tayo ng update ko ano nga ba yung naging preparation nila para dito sa ating semi-final round, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Casey.
Marahay na daw, Bicolandia. After a grueling and action-packed elimination round, we have finally arrived at the semifinals of the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, where only the best of the best remain. This is your courtside reporter, Casey Anchoquia, bringing you the heat on the side of Olivares College Parañaque Sea Lions. The Sea Lions, the reigning UCCL Season 19 champions, are here to show why they are the champions. Known for their disciplined offense and solid defense, they are here not just to play, but also to protect their championship pedigree. Watch out for their star player, 𝐒𝐒𝐿, the center who has experience from various leagues, bringing valuable advantage to the team. Now for the insights, we have here the head coach of Sea Lions, Coach Philip De La Cruz. So hello Coach, first of all, welcome to Naga City. So far dito sa stay nyo sa ugmang lugar, kumusta na yung experience nyo?
Okay naman yung experience namin, very grateful kami. Nakapunta kami dito ng safe. Ina-expect namin yung magandang, sana yung araw, kaso naging maulan yung araw na to eh.
Ayan Coach, dumako naman tayo sa gameplay nyo ngayong araw. What would be your approach if the opposing team gives you trouble or changes their game plan?
Yung magiging adjustment lang siguro namin, sana masunod namin dito sa games namin. Yun lang.
Ayan Coach, baka may gusto kayong i-shoutout na family or supporters na nanonood dito sa ating live stream ngayon.
Shoutout ko lang yung Olivares family, Daddy Doc Olivares, Kapitana Eva Olivares, Congressman Eric Olivares, Ma'am Bernice Olivares, and Boss Mark Anthony of YM Cargo. Greet ko lang din yung and daughter ko, si Rose and Ambry.
Thank you so much Coach, thank you po. Now, basketball fans, brace yourselves. The intensity is about to double. The energy is about to explode. And the history is waiting to be written. Abangan ng bakbakan only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Back to the panel.
Thank you so much Casey for that insight from the side of the Olivares College. And talagang prepared dito ang ating team kahit dumayo pa sila mula sa malayo papunta dito sa Naga City to battle with these teams na talagang lahat magagaling from day 1 hanggang ngayon. The second day pa lang makikita natin na bakbakan yung mga laban. And mentioning na natalo nila yung GUANG College, one of the strongest din na teams for this event. Kaya mag-expect tayo ng maganda dito sa Olivares College. And you can actually see sa inyong screen na NCF, they are actually warming up na rin. And hindi ko pa nakikita yung kanilang dalawang mataas na center na si Timothy and Jimo Mumuni. Excited na ayan na sila. Lumabas na. Pinag-uusapan ko pa lang and nakita ko na si Jimo. One of the promising centers dito ng NCF. Yan yung nagiging threat talaga sa kalaban ng NCF Tigers. Once na nakikita ng offensive team na ang lawak ng scope dito ni Juni, lalo na yung paint. Talagang naharangan niya yung mga possibilities at yung mga pwede mangyari dito sa side ng kanilang kalaban.
Yan nga talagang kaabang-abang ang ating magiging laban ngayong araw na ito. Because this is our first semi-final. And to hear an update on the side of NCF Tigers, andyan po ang ating courtside reporter na si Eugene.
Good day, basketball fans across South Luzon and beyond. I am Eugene Nueva, bringing you courtside actions on the side of NCF Tigers. Today's game is more than just another matchup. This is a crucial for positioning momentum and confidence as the tournament enter in a competitive stage. Sa bawat possession, sa bawat depensa at sa bawat scoring run, makikita natin kung gaano kahanda ang mga Tigre ay mahusay na ng Olivares. And now makakasama naman natin si Coach Brian Ayos. So good afternoon Coach and congratulations for the win earlier and for making in this matchup. So Coach, ano po yung mindset nyo na dadalhin for this matchup kontra sa Olivares team po?
Actually, Olivares is very strong team. So yung dala namin yung confidence namin kanina na we're gonna play hard. and go all out kalaban sa Olivares, and we will play together as a team.
So, lastly, Coach, ano po yung message nyo for the NCF community po?
Watch and support the NCF Tigers, the semifinals against Olivares Colleges, Sea Lions, dito sa UNC and sa Oragon Sports TV. Thank you sa lahat. Sir Mario, thank you.
Thank you, Coach Brian, for the quick interview, and these times with strong preparations, consistent performances, at mataas na level ng disiplina, patuloy na papatunayan ng team na deserve nila ang spot. And ngayong araw, it's their job na ipakita hindi lang ang kanilang mga talento, kundi pati ang kanilang mental toughness at win mindset. For now, sit back and relax because NCF Tigers are ready to rise up and roar against the Olivares teams. Back to you, Nino and Tina.
Thank you so much, Yuji, for that insight from the side of the Naga College Foundation Tigers. And tulad nga ng sinabi ni Coach Brian, dapat dire-diretso lang yung confidence dito ng Tigers kasi their last game against the UNC Greyhounds, their confidence talagang ang taas, yung energy nila and yung consistency. From the first hanggang fourth quarter, they were dominating the game and nahirapan doon yung UNC Greyhounds na mahabol. And lumalawak yung kalamangan doon ng NCF Tigers. Kaya abangan natin kung ano mangyayari dito. Olivares College versus the Naga College Foundation Tigers.
Kaya naman, ninyo, yung mga fans natin dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace and even sa live coverage ng ating Oragon Sports TV, handang-handa na para sa bakbakan na to. Dahil, if I remember, pangatlong beses na pong maghaharap ng Olivares College and NCF Tigers, at sa lahat ng laban po ngayon, Olivares College ang laging nakakakuha ng panalo. So let's see, after this match, kung kakayanin nga ba ng NCF Tigers na matalo ang Olivares College at makapasok sa ating finals ng 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Mainit, yan ang masasabi ko dito, partner, sa ating laban. NCF versus Olivares. Excited na akong makita ang resulta nito.
Now, our starting lineup on the side of Olivares College, we have Guarino, Nyase, Panelo, Vergara, and on the side of NCF Tigers, Palillo, Arenzana, Chimo, Guades, and Nueva.
Magandang lineup dito coming in from both teams. Now, the NCF Tigers taking it slow on their first possession, stretching any possibilities na makapag-score sila. Quick reaction on that one. Olivares takes the ball.
Now, Sea Lions on the offense. Vergara, one of the key players here of Olivares College, recorded by Guades. 14 seconds to shoot, goes inside, loses it. Chimo. Now Guades with the ball. Passes to Arenzana for the first basket of NCF.
Arenzana quick on his feet there, taking that opportunity for that fast break points. Grabe dito yung ginagawang trabaho ng NCF Tigers. Talagang gigil sila na makuha ang panalo against this Olivares College. What a chemistry that they have. Second chance is good for jersey number 31 of the Olivares College. Parehas na teams talagang pinapakitaan tayo ng magandang performance for this game.
Yes, of course, this will be an exciting match between these two teams. Guades now, 2-1-2 tayo dito. Guades passes to Nueva. Tries for a three-pointer. That's good! What a lucky point para dito kay Nueva.
Ganda ng bitaw dito ni Nueva to extend their lead. Now our score.
Now Nyasa against Chimo. Fade away, no good.
Now Palillo telling his teammates what to do. Guades for the three-pointer. Medyo kinapos lang doon. And makita mo talagang mga veteran players dito, players ng Olivares College, talagang kahit pressured sila with the defense of the NCF Tigers, kalmado lang, parang na-shake off nila yung ginagawang pressure dito.
Well, yun yung maganda dito sa side ng Olivares College, yung kanilang game plan dito and the connection of the players. So makikita natin yan maya-maya as the first quarter progresses. 2-5 with that 3-point gap of NCF Tigers doon sa 3-pointer ni Guades. Now Vergara to inbound. Nyase to Guarino. No good.
Palillo now has the ball. Nag-iisip ko ng magandang execution play dito. Decides to take the 3-pointer. Is good for jersey number 1 of NCF Tigers sa Palillo. Grabe dito yung 3-pointers na ipinapakita ng NCF Tigers. Talagang continuous. There's no room for mistakes. Lalo't na they're in their home court dito, nasa Naga City.
Well, they're really ready for this match against Olivares College. Nyase. No good. Gino with that rebound. This is very different kesa nung laro nila sa elimination round. They're stepping on the line.
Iba yung gigil na tala ngayon ng mga Tigers. Talagang they are hungry for this win.
Which is a good thing for both teams right now. First appearance of Olivares College dito sa Naga City.
And little by little, the lead of NCF Tigers nagsistretch na talaga.
14 seconds to shoot here. Guarino passes to Nyase. Heavily guarded here. Looking for his teammate Vergara. On the corner for 3. Still no good on the outside shooting of Olivares College.
A cold start from the Olivares College. And what a steal. Now a fast break opportunity for them. Nagmamadali. Gets that layup through the traffic. Grabe dito ang ginagawang tempo ng Olivares College.
Well, Panelo is a player to look out dito sa side ng Olivares College. 4-8 now. 4-point lead of NCF. Palillo passes to Guades. Now Guades again for 3. That's good! Basket count with a foul. Whoa. Guades is on fire. Para dito sa ating first quarter.
Palillo passes to
Look at that instant replay. Guades on an outside shooting.
Good! Of NCF. Palillo passes to Guades.
Sila nakapasok sa ating semi-final round.
That's good!
With Olivares College. But only one team yung papangalanan natin makakapasok sa ating finals. Guades with that 4-point play. And CF having this good momentum sa start ng ating first quarter. But as we all know, Olivares College can carry this out and of course gain a point here with this ball possession. Panelo.
Look at the defense of the NCF Tigers. Step back 3-pointer. No good. Palillo takes the rebound. 4-12 ang ating score. Lamang pa rin ng NCF Tigers by 8 points. Palillo trying to shake off the defender. Now Gimo decides to take that jumper. Is good. 2 points for Gimo Mumuni.
Well, after having a match with us both teams for 2 years, napag-aralan na nila yung mga galaw ng bawat isa dito. So now, NCF Tigers, a good start for this quarter. Pambawi dito ng Olivares Nyase. Too much power on that pass.
Miscommunication from their end. And tulad nga ng sinabi mo, 2 taon na silang magkakatapat and nagtatansya na siguro pati itong ating mga players na ay alam ko na ang gagawin itong player na to.
No, the biggest lead for this quarter, 10 points of NCF Tigers. Now Guades again with the ball. 2 free throws yung pinakawala niya dito kanina lamang. Now Nueva, an attempt, tries, no good. Palillo with that rebound. With the help of the board, NCF Tigers set the momentum for our first quarter. Well, bagong-bago to sa paningin natin that the NCF Tigers nakalamang ng malaki dito sa ating Olivares College.
And actually galing pa itong ata energy nila from their game kanina against the UNC Greyhounds. Yung first quarter dominating din sila, stretching the lead to 20 points during the first quarter. Kaya dinala ng energy dito ng NCF. Tulad nga ng sinabi ni Coach Brian kanina, dapat dire-diretso lang ng kanilang momentum and consistency throughout this game. And if NCF Tigers wants to get this win against the Olivares College, they just need to be consistent on their game plan, keep the offense running, and tighten up the defense against the Olivares College. And of course, di rin magpapatalo dito ang ating Olivares College. May baon yan si coach na pangontra. Tulad nga ng sinabi niya during the interview, adjustments are key para may basag dito yung ginagawang plano ng NCF Tigers.
So now after this timeout, will Olivares College get that point and lessen the gap of NCF? Now let's see here. Ball possession of Sea Lions. Now give Gargara with the ball. Passes to Manuel. Guarded by Arenzana. Tries. That's good. NCF on the offense. Gimo. Back to 10-point lead. Guadas against Vergara. 14 seconds to shoot. Deflected by Gimo. Nuwada naman ngayon sa tres.
Fast break opportunity for Olivares, coast to coast. And whistle blown by referees. Same ball possession pa rin ngayon ng Olivares College. Vergara and Guados, what a nice matchup for this game.
3 minutes and 52 seconds remaining. Escalante checks in. Medyo hindi pa nag-iingay dito si Panelo and Vergara and the rest of the players of Olivares College. Nanyase with the ball. Looking for his teammate now against Gimo. Pushing his way in.
Nabitawan yung bola. Now Olivares a chance to counter-attack. Fast break opportunity, lays it in. Too hard on the basket. Nuwada na may hawak ng bola, Arenzana. Floater is good for the NCF Tigers, stretching their lead. Grabe yung ginagawang work dito ng NCF Tigers. The pressure is on.
NCF's looking good for this quarter. Pero bumawi naman agad dito si Manuel. But still, they need to tighten their defense. Gimo. To Guadas. Defensive rebound. Gimo now. Goes inside, tries. Ball possession will go onto the side of Olivares College now. Renon and Esisima will check in on the side of Sea Lions. Walisa din tong si Renon, a player to look out sa side ng Olivares College. Let's see his contribution for this final 2 minutes and 35 of our first quarter. Maikong passes to Esisima. Heavily guarded by Guadas, Renon.
Look at that ball movement from Olivares College. Ang bilis ng kanilang nagiging pasahan. And the reads from the defenders.
But still, they're building their connection here inside. Halos pinalitan na nga yung starting lineup dito ng NCF. Rialo and Master checks in. And Maikong beyond that free throw line for 2 shots here.
And Rialo, one of the shooters dito ng NCF Tigers. Kaya siguro ang plano ngayon ni Coach Brian is to shoot those 3-pointers, lalo na't may pinasok dito na stretch big ang Olivares College.
Now Maikong for his second free throw. That's good. NCF on the offense now.
Nuwada. The ball was deflected. Yun yung sinasabi ko kanina, grabe dito mag-read ang Olivares College when it comes to predicting the passes ng NCF Tigers. siguro matagal na talaga silang nagkakalaro, kaya alam na rin nila kung paano naglalaro yung NCF Tigers dito.
Let's see. Kung ang matchup ba to, parehong ending lang ng mga nakaraang laro ng dalawang kumpanya na to, or will it be different this time? Nueva for a 3-pointer and air ball. 1:57 here. An opportunity for Olivares College to lessen that gap. 8-point lead ang hawak ngayon ng NCF Tigers. Hindi pa to yung full potential ng Olivares College, so we're waiting pa. And even the side of NCF Tigers.
Nag-warm up pa lang ang ating mga players for this game. And 1:57 seconds remaining. Wala masyadong fouls na nagaganap with our first quarter. Talagang nagiging fast-paced ang laban. Both teams parehas din ang package ng kanilang mga players. 3-pointer is good for jersey number 23, Maikong.
Ito na. Para sa Olivares College, 5 puntos na lamang ang kanilang hinahabol dito. Palahe with the ball. Tries. No good. Sima with that rebound. Passes now to Maikong. Maikong once again. But it was a foul.
Ang hilig dito ng Olivares College ng mga fast-paced plays. Inikot talaga nila yung bola. And when pag nakita kagad sila ng opportunity, they are taking it with no hesitation. Kaya ang bilis ng nagiging transition from defense to offense.
Now 14 seconds to shoot. Di Mayuga passes to Renon. Now Maikong with the ball. 10 seconds to shoot here. Maikong tries, but Chimo was there to snatch it. Now Chimo against Sima. Pushing his way inside.
Match up talaga ang ating bigs dito sa ilalim. Using low post moves against each other. Now Jimo is on the line to shoot his free throws.
Now Jimo 2 free throws. 13-18. He misses that one. No, another free throw for Jimo. Good. Meron pang ball possession outside of Olivares College. Escalante. Heavily guarded sa backcourt. Escalante to Renon for a 3-pointer. No good. Massa securing that rebound with only 36 seconds starting first quarter.
Tumatawag ng play dito si Mase. Waiting for his teammates to rotate. Now Jimo has the ball to Balane. Extra pass, Rialo on that wing for a 3-pointer. Is good. Tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina din, pag pinasok nila si Rialo, I'm sure na magiging plano ng NCF Tigers 3-pointers talaga. Rialo, a deadly catch and shooter from the Tigers.
Well, let's take a look at it again on the 3-pointer of Rialo.
Ang smooth nung naging play dito ng NCF Tigers, talagang ang ganda ng ginawa nilang motion.
Big impact din yung thrust dito ni Rialo on that last few seconds of this quarter. Now Renon on that free throw line. 13-22 on our scoreboard. First free throw was good. 6 seconds remaining for this first quarter. Second free throw for Renon. Just like Guangming, mataas din yung percentage dito ng Olivares College when it comes to free throws. Now another free throw will be given to Renon. It's good. 15-22. 6 seconds. Will there be a point on the side of NCF? Masa to inbound. Passes to Rialo.
3 seconds left. Timo. And the traveling violation called by the referees with 0.5 seconds remaining.
Sayang yung huling mga segundong iyon para dito sa NCF Tigers, but we only have 0.5. And that's the end of our first quarter. 15-22, 7-point lead above NCF Tigers, and we will be back for our second quarter of this game only here on ORAGON Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundaze Hotel, Lemon Residences, Tantan Apartelle, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, GOLDTRANS BTS, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF-College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Caceres, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Claypot Cafe, AET Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jaz Tire Master, Soul Fleet Naga, Digital Grapix, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Cancer Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safe Side Transport, Nalabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bike Center, Carl's Catering, Warning Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tansyahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Park.
Nagbabalik po tayo para sa ating second quarter nitong ating semi-final match. And what a way to open this quarter as Esesiva with the dunk.
What a slam dunk coming in from Sisima. And a great way to open the energy for the Olivares College. Magandang simula to for them. And let's hope na magiging continuous na yung kanilang energy.
Well, they needed that from Esesiva. Now a chance for 3-point play. That's good. What a good way to start the quarter. Sabi mo nga, paano ba nila ma-maintain yung ganitong momentum dito? 4 na lang yung kalamangan ng NCF Tigers. Rialo with the ball. Passes to Gimo. 14 to shoot. Masa now with the ball. Taking their time here. With that screen of Gimo. Now, to hear an update on the side of NCF Tigers, let's hear it from Eugene.
Rick and Tin and Nino from the opening tip. NCF Tigers played with confidence and intensity. Maayos ang ball movement, malinaw ang spacing at aggressive ang kanilang floor defense. They attack early mismatches, push the tempo and created quality scoring opportunities. Dahil dito nakuha agad nila ang early rhythm ng laro. According kay Coach kanina, they wanted to start focus and organize, and also dahan-dahan lang, wag masyadong maging agresibo. Strong focus creates strong starts. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Nino.
Thank you so much, Yuji, for that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. And tamang-tama ka nga dun sa sinabi mo. NCF Tigers, they need to focus on their shots. Make sure na papasok ang kanilang tira and avoid the unnecessary errors. Kasi Olivares College, alam natin na mabilis itong makakapaghabol whenever na makapagkita sila ng start. Tulad ng slam dunk kanina from their end. And now, yung energy nila, I can feel it that their spirits are high from that dunk.
Now let's see here, 9-minute mark dito sa ating second quarter. Maikong to inbound. Well, this is their chance, second quarter, to lessen the gap and make a good gameplay. Escalante with the ball. but an offensive foul was called kay Renon. So a lost opportunity here. NCF Tigers, an opportunity, Masa to inbound. Chimo to Realo. 5 seconds. Well, I think this is the second time na hindi nila napansin yung ating shot clock on their side. Well, they need to focus on the time. Olivares College, turnover after turnovers.
Look at that handles. Now for the jumper. No good. Balani takes the rebound.
Well, medyo malamig pa dito yung mga kamay ng mga star players ng Olivares College. Now to hear an update naman sa side ng Olivares College, and then po si Casey, take it away.
Sobrang bilis ng mga pangyayari during the previous quarter, Nino and Tin. The Sea Lions may be behind the score, ngunit asahan natin na sila ay babawi ngayong second quarter. Kailangan lang nilang ayusin ang kanilang depensa at i-maximize ang fast breaks para makuha nila ang momentum pabalik sa kanilang team. Gaya nga ng sabi ni Coach kanina during their huddle, take advantage of the attacks and push until they got the rhythm. Going into the second quarter, let's see if the Sea Lions would finally find their pace and close the gap. That's it for now. Back to the panel.
Thank you, Casey, for that update from the side of the Olivares College. And tama ka nga dun, Casey. They need to pick up their pace and maging dire-diretso na yung kanilang scoring from their end.
Now Mase. 6-point gap of NCF. Now asking for his teammate here. Pass to Jimo. 10 seconds. Mase. 5 seconds again. The clock is ticking. No good. Medyo nagkagol pa doon sa rebound. And the ball. Possession will go onto the side of Olivares College. The staff on the side of NCF Tigers asking for that review. Kung kanino nga ba yung last touch and ball possession. So our referees we'll have a discussion on that one. But right now, before we continue this matchup, semi-final matchup, we would like to thank our dearest sponsor. We have Sundaze Hotel, Tantan, Apartelle, Sofia and Goldtrans BTS Resort, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Soul Flip Naga, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Safe Side Transport, 3N Bakery, Garden Cafe, Zona Uno, Rizwala Builders, RC Food Stall at PJ Food Store. Maraming salamat po sa ating mga sponsors and of course sa ating mga fans na andito po sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace at sa mga fans din ng Olivares College na hindi nakapunta dito sa Naga City pero buo yung suporta sa ating live coverage.
And during the second quarter, pagpasok talaga nakikita natin na Olivares College tightening their defense against the Naga College Foundation Tigers. Kaya nahihirapan dito yung Tigers na makapaghanap ng magandang opportunity and naubos yung kanilang oras. Possession after possession, 5 seconds left on the shot clock and they are being pressured by the presence dito ng Olivares College.
After the discussion and the review of the officials, same ball possession and NCF Tigers. An opportunity here to widen the gap against Sea Lions. Masa to inbound. 14 seconds sa kanilang shot clock dito. The passes to Balane. 10 seconds. Realo once again. No good this time. Chimo. Offensive rebound and a point. Well, Chimo, his contribution from the first quarter up until this quarter, grabe yung pinapakita niya dito. Now Olivares College, they're down by 8 points. Let's see, Michael, still a cold hands on the side of Olivares College. Ball possession on the side of NCF Tigers. 𝐒𝐎𝐔𝐃 checks in. And we're still waiting for that action-packed quarter. We need the full effort here of Olivares College. 𝐒𝐎𝐔𝐃 to Gimo. 14 seconds, Rialo to Palahe. Heavily guarded here, forcing his way in. And the foul was called.
Palahe, one of the power scorers for the NCF Tigers, using his slow post moves against the defenders. Now our official score 26-18, still in favor of the NCF Tigers by 8 points.
But of course, no complacency here sa side ng NCF Tigers because anytime na mapabayaan nila yung kanilang depensa dito, arangkada naman yung Olivares College. So now, Palahe with his second free throw. 6 minutes and 30 ang natitira po sa ating first half.
Full court defense ginagawa dito ng NCF Tigers. And look at that coast to coast. Now still ball possession ng Tigers.
Another challenge. This time, it's on the side of Olivares College with that ball possession. Well, siguro nga may advantage yung NCF Tigers dito dahil sa Naga City ginanap yung ating laro. Mukhang kailangan pang huminga dito ng Olivares College to showcase their true skills.
Nangangapa pa dito yung Olivares College. And
because this is not how they play. Most especially the star players here. Vergara, Panelo, yung outside shooting nila dito. Talagang grabe, first quarter pa lang pinapakita nila dito. But this time it's different. So it's a big advantage on the side of NCF Tigers.
Yung Tigers kasi kanina nakapaglaro na against the UNC
No warm up
Greyhounds.
na sila kanina.
And grabe rin yung naging performance nila din, dominating throughout the game. Kaya nadala pa rin nila yung energy up until this moment against Olivares College.
Now, that's a successful challenge on the side of Olivares College. Ball stays on their side. Now Vergara to inbound with 14 seconds to shoot. Now Vergara looking for his teammate. Maikong to Mercado. 10 seconds, Manuel, heavily guarded by Rialo. Maikong, they need to shoot now. Still no good here for Olivares College. Well, NCF Tigers still looking good for this quarter. Masse. Ooh, a clean three-pointer.
Patas ng patas ang energy dito ng NCF Tigers. Back-to-back three-pointers coming in from their team.
Let's see.
Iba-ibang player ang tumitira ng tres dito para sa NCF Tigers. And that's supposed to be dunk. Was snatched away by Gimo.
This time it's Panelo. They need someone to step out or to step up for the team Olivares.
And I think gigil dito yung Olivares College na makapagpuntos. Lalo't na't nararamdaman rin nila yung energy na tumataas from the Tigers.
Because after a few minutes, they're stuck on 18 points. And even on free throws, they need this one. Now let's see.
I think nagpapainit lang dito yung Olivares College. Once they get a hand ng kanilang offensive momentum dito, dire-diretso na yan.
Well, they need to do something right now. since NCF Tigers having this big gap. Now Manuel for his second free throw. 12-point lead sa side ng Tigers. Now Manuel. Second free throw. That's good. We're almost halfway through this second quarter. Mase against Vergara. Five seconds to shoot, Mase. And I think a bad landing for Mase on the other side.
Medyo layo yung atras dito ni Mase on the shooting.
Well, I hope he's okay. We hope he's okay since isa din siya sa mga pinagkakatiwalaang players dito sa side ng NCF Tigers. With his presence, nakailang puntos si Mase dito sa second quarter. Well, he's still on the ground. He is in pain right now. Now Redon checks in. Five minutes and one. This time si Palillo muna yung papalit dito kay Mase inside the court.
And Mase is hurt. Let's hope na maging okay lang at ma-shake off to ni Mase.
Now, some officials reviewing on that last sequence on what really happened doon sa pagkahulog dito ni Mase. (19:30) double-digit lead of NCF Tigers. And up until now, we're looking for that spark on the side of Olivares College. Well, if you're a fan of Sea Lions, and if you've watched the past games of Olivares and NCF Tigers, talagang dikdikan talaga yung laban nitong dalawang kupunan na to. Most especially during that semi-final round, sila po yung nagtapat during that UCCL Season 19, kung saan nanalo yung Olivares College. So right now with the semi-final of Second South Luzon, let's see who will dominate this. Sino makakapunta sa ating finals? Now, there's still discussions between the officials here. But let's take a look at it again as Mase. Ooh, bad landing.
Mahirap yun pag ganun. Let's hope for the best dito para kay Franco Mase. Because last year he was also injured in the middle of Bukal.
So now we're still waiting for the final call of our officials. So it's a bad landing for Franco Mase. And no call on the side of Olivares College. So we're good. We're going to continue this matchup for our semi-final round, 1930 in favor of NCF Tigers. Panelo passes to Renon. Now Panelo, titira ng 3. No good.
And the Tigers taking their time on this offensive run. Palillo trying to get an isolation play here. Step back three-pointer is good for Palillo. Wow, what a performance, Palillo. Kakapasok niya pa lang inside the court and talagang he's delivering agad for the Tigers.
Well, maganda yung mga outside shooting dito ng NCF Tigers. So now, ano kaya magiging sagot ng Olivares College with that 10 seconds to shoot? Vergara, Piñase against Arenzana. Matumal yung pagpuntos dito sa kabilang kupunan. Let's take a look at it again with a 3-pointer of Palillo. Dito nakakalamang yung NCF Tigers sa kanilang mga outside shooting plus yung defense nila na nahihirapan yung Olivares College to convert a point.
And talking about Palillo, grabe yung confidence dyan, calling for that isolation play and a step back three-pointer.
Now Nyase for his free throw. Still no good. Now Pujeda with the ball. Passes to Nueva, back to Pujeda. Against Vergara, 14 seconds to shoot, fade away. Renon with that rebound. Vergara now. Look at that defense of NCF. Even big Manyase can get in.
Pujeda for a fast break play over that defender is no good. Now Olivares a chance to counter-attack, 3-on-2. Fake pass, then a layup is no good.
Third and big point lead of NCF. Will they add to this gap? Palejo against Renon. In and out. Renon with that rebound. Long pass to Panelo.
Bilis naging transition dito ng Olivares College.
Well, they needed that point. They needed a break. Dito sa second quarter, 2 minutes and 48.
Palillo tries for another three-pointer. Looking to get that one. And ngayon, ball possession ng Olivares College.
What is the time that Olivares needs to do something about this big gap of NCF Tigers? Manuel with the ball. Very guarded here. Nyase pushes in. No good. And now another whistled foul. Look at that instant replay.
Nyase here using his body for the advantage of Ramiring through that defense. Ngayon, ano kaya magiging plano dito ni Arenzana to counter Nyase?
First basket para dito kay Nyase. Second free throw. That's good. The NCF Tigers loses that ball. Nyase gets it. Vergara against Buheda. Manuel using his body on getting that point.
Grabe dito si Manuel, really a slasher. Diretso kung diretso.
Well, big advantage din dito yung malaki niyang katawan against the defenders of NCF. Palilio loses that ball, pero Arenzana with that point. 9-point lead of NCF, a minute and 26 seconds remaining. Manuel passes to Renon. Still struggling here with this kind of defense from NCF.
And Palahe overextending his body. No, Lavandero will go in.
Vinculado and Lavandero enters the side of NCF. Renan naman ngayon nasa free throw line. Well, aside from the free throws, wala pa yung big highlight para dito sa Olivares College. I think it was Esisimo.
Wala pang
With his
masyadong
dunk dun sa start ng second quarter. But aside from that, medyo nahihirapan yung Olivares College dito to convert a point.
Di pa nila napipick up yung kanilang momentum and tempo for this game. Now Palilio. The Tigers moving the ball around. Nueva. Pick and roll play, Lavandero for that floater, no good. Tigers still has the ball. Palilio trying to find an open teammate. Sees Nueva for the three-pointer on the wing. Still no good for the Tigers. And their third chance. Great job from the Tigers dito, hustling for the rebounds with 43 seconds remaining on the clock sa ating second quarter. Escalante will go in dito kapalit ni Manuel. First free throw is no good. Looking to convert the second.
27-35. 8-point lead of NCF Tigers with 42 seconds remaining. Now make it 9-point lead after that free throw of Vinculado. Now Michael to Renon. They need something with as few seconds remaining of our halftime, of our first half rather. Michael. Another whistled foul. First free throw for Michael is in. Two para dito kay Michael.
22 seconds remaining on the game clock and shot clock. Guadas to inbound the ball for the Tigers. Lavandero loses the ball. And traveling violation called by our referees Onyase. Timeout NCF Tigers, and I'm pretty sure that the coaches of the Tigers will try to create a play for this inbound. With 17 seconds remaining, they need to maximize this one para mapigilan nila ang Olivares College na makapaghabol?
Well, kahit nagsistruggle nga yung Olivares College dito sa pagpuntos, bumabawi sila dun sa mga fouls na nakukuha nila sa mga free throws na nabibigay sa kanila. Kaya naman hindi din nagkakalayo yung kanilang puntos dito against the NCF Tigers. But they need something more. So let's see, after the 17 seconds of our first half, pagpasok ng ating second half, will there be a change of momentum here? Knowing Olivares College, they will not let NCF be on the finals that easily.
Free throws really are not enough to get an energy for this game talaga. And of course, the momentum kailangan dito ng Olivares College na makapag-pull up ng maraming puntos, lalo't na paparating na tayo sa ating second half and the crucial moments of our game. And NCF Tigers getting ready for their play.
Now, 17 seconds remaining. NCF's basketball. 28-36 on our scoreboard. 8-point lead of their team. Palilio looking for his teammate. Passes. Tunyase, wrong pass here. Vergara. 13 to shoot. What will they do now? 7 seconds. Heavily guarded. Passes to Escalante. They needed it. Wala pa rin para dito sa Olivares College. And we ended the first half with a score of 28-36 in favor of NCF Tigers. Once again, this is the semi-final round of our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball League, and we will be right back.
The second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundaze Hotel, Lemon Residences, Tantan Apartelle, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, GOLDTRANS BTS, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF-College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Caceres, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Claypot Cafe, AET Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jaz Tire Master, Soulfleet Naga, Digital Grapix, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Cancer Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safeside Transport, Nalabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bite Center, Carl's Catering, Warnin Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tanshahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, and Ruffian's Tavern Bar and Lounge.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation. But we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Sa laro ng buhay kami panalo. Kape
Lemon Residences, official residence of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marahay na aldaw ang 𝐒𝐍𝐃 College, participant in the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Lemon Residences.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game?
Absolutely. Now these are our science labs. We've got the junior high school bio lab, plus the physics, chem, and bio labs. And if Marvel needs their next genius, they can start here with us, the Tigers.
Because here, science isn't just taught, it's changing the game.
Tiger techies and creators. This is our playground, the computer and TLE labs.
Coding, designing, building. This is where Tigers turn ideas into reality. Another way we're changing the game.
Hungry? Our cafe's got everything to power our day.
And our comfort rooms, clean, safe, and tiger-proof.
Small details, big impact. Another way we're changing the game. Us Tigers aren't just fierce inside the classroom, but also on the court.
Basketball, volleyball, swimming, and more. Our sports facilities bring out the athlete in every Tiger.
And when we play, it's not just a game. We're changing the game.
Need help? Our admin team's got your back always.
Every building here at NCF, built to inspire.
And beyond classrooms, these innovative learning spaces spark creativity, teamwork, and Tiger pride.
And here's something we're absolutely proud of. We're LASSO accredited.
A mark of excellence in high-quality education.
Audio preview.
So whether you're into books, science discoveries, sports excellence, innovation, or any other collaboration that will boost your learning,
NCF Tiger Basic Education Department will take you to a future that's fierce, exciting, game-moving, and puts you ahead of the game.
this is Naga College Foundation Basic Education Department, changing the game.
And we are back inside the UNC Sports Palace for our second half of the semi-final match of Olivares College versus the NCF Tigers. And right now, malaki nga po yung kalamangan na iniwan dito ng NCF Tigers sa Olivares College, but at the same time, let's see if there will be change of momentum here now that we entered the third quarter of this game.
And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence inside the court, Mr. Renato Enciso of Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. And did you know that OBL is the only league that provides insurance to its players in the entire region? Kaya naman, our second South Luzon Invitational basketball players and the exhibition game participants are insured by Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated, OBL's official insurance partner. Just Mabalos, Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated.
Now, 12 seconds to shoot for Olivares College. They need this for a good start of their second quarter, or third quarter rather. For the third time, same ball possession, 14 seconds. Now let's see here if this time makakuha na ng puntos ng Olivares College. Nyase. A free throw will be given to him.
Ano kaya ang baon dito ng Olivares College to start this second half and the third quarter? Yes, on the free throw line, hoping to convert both these two free throws. Palillo nasa loob pa rin ng court, bringing the ball for the Tigers to Nueva. Now Arenzana on top of the line. Guades trying to look for an opportunity, decides to shoot it, and it's good for Guades. Back-to-back points from the Tigers. 29 to 39 in favor of the NCF. Look at that movement. Getting 2 points and a chance to convert this play into an end-one opportunity.
Well, yun yung hinihintay natin dito sa side ng Olivares College. Basket with a foul. And to hear an update from the side of NCF Tigers, makakasama po natin mamaya si UG. Pero right now, Nyase, for a 3-point play opportunity here. No good. Gimo with that rebound. Ayun, mukhang ready na ang ating courtside reporter from the side of NCF Tigers. UG, anong balita natin dyan?
Tin and Nino for the second quarter, mas naging tactical ang approach ng NCF Tigers. They slowed the game when needed and executed their half-court set with patience. Improved communications on defense helped them limit second chance points. On offense, nagpatuloy ang teamwork at smart decision-making. According kay Coach kanina, their players trusted the system. Trust builds winning habit. Balik sa inyo, Tin and Nino.
Thank you so much, Yuji, for that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. And kailangan dito ng Tigers na mapanatili yung kanilang momentum and their consistency when it comes to shooting and taking the chances. Dapat hindi sila masyadong nagko-commit ng errors and mistakes for the second half. That not Olivares, once na makapagsimula na sila convert ng kanilang shots, dire-diretso na yung kanilang magiging scoring. Now Guades tries for a 3-pointer, no good. Gimo to box out. Jump ball called by our referees. And a ball possession nga ng Olivares College. 38 to 31 our score. NCF Tigers still leading the game by 7 points.
Now Vergara passes to Renon. Renon now to try. And that's good. Ito na yung hinihintay natin, mga outside shooting ng Olivares College. Yung kanina na halos naging 15-point lead ng NCF Tigers. Ngayon, 4 na puntos na lamang po ang kanilang hinahabol dito. Kaya naman, para makarinig tayo ng update all the way from the side of Olivares College Sea Lions, we have Casey.
Nino and Tin, lumulobo pa nga ang kalamangan ng Tigers laban sa Sea Lions. This is a big challenge for the team, but we've seen comebacks happen right here. The key is composure and communication in order for them to find their rhythm. Speaking of communication, pinayuhan sila ni coach na huwag solohin ang bola. They have to work with their teammates so that they can efficiently play the game. We are now on the second half, kaya asahan na mas hihigpit pa ang bakbakan. Every decision matters now, kaya kailangan nilang maging matalino sa bawat possession. Yan muna sa ngayon, balik sa inyo, Tin and Nino.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update from the side of the Olivares College. And you're actually right about that one. The Olivares College, they need to be wise on making their decisions, taking shots that are sure na mataas yung chance nilang magpasok and avoid those mistakes. Tulad lang ng plano ng NCF Tigers kasi maliit na yung gap ng NCF Tigers na lumamang sila ng 15 points during the first half of our game. But now, down to 4 points ang kalamangan ng Tigers dito. Whistle blown by a referee's traveling violation called on the player.
Well, sayang yung opportunity na yon sa Olivares College para mas mabawasan pa sana yung kalamangan nila dito against NCF Tigers. But now let's see with this ball possession on the side of Tigers. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Full shot clock for NCF. 34-39. A 5-point lead of NCF.
Gimo Inyase, a tough matchup for this game. Talagang pan-to-pan yung kanilang nagiging eksena dito. Low post at each other, battling through that rebound, and shooting at the rim very hard to get their baskets.
Now Guades to inbound. Passes to Palahe. Recorded by Vergara. Chimo with that screen. But Nueva loses that ball.
Nadulas dito si Nueva on getting that ball possession.
Now an opportunity for Olivares College. Escalante to inbound. Still a 5-point lead here sa ating third quarter. Well, this is a big change para sa side ng OCC Lions. Now Escalante to inbound.
Vergara calling a play for the Sea Lions. Heavily guarded by Guades here. Natapik ni Guades yung bola. Now a chance for a fast break. Guades mag-isa. Very anticipated yung ginawa ni Guades. He expected Vergara to switch the ball into his other end and na-snatch niya yung bola. An opportunity to create that point. Vergara gigil na gigil ngayon. Gustong bumawi kay Guades.
Now, not even once nakalamang dito ang Olivares College sa NCF Tigers. Yung pinakamalapit na ng puntos na kalamangan ng NCF ay 4 na puntos. So let's see. Maikong with the ball. 14 seconds to shoot here. Manuel. Heavily guarded. Choosing Yase. But big man Chimo didn't let him. Nueva. Pass to Chimo. 14 to shoot. 10 seconds for Nueva.
3 seconds left to shoot. And Nueva loses the ball. Vergara over Guades. Guades blocked that shot. And the foul called by the referees. Grabe dito yung momentum na meron ng NCF Tigers. Tuloy-tuloy yung pagiging energetic nila. From the first quarter hanggang third quarter, hindi pa nakapaglamang ang Olivares throughout this game. And Olivares needs to step up on this game. Lalo't na't kailangan na nilang bawiin dito. Pag nasimulan to ng NCF, magiging dire-diretso yung kanilang magiging scoring. The Olivares, they need to be careful. Lalo't na't papalapit na tayo sa ating fourth quarter with 6 minutes and 3 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Vergara gets the first free throw. No good on the second free throw. Nueva has it for the Tigers, heavily guarded by Vergara here. Rotation of the Tigers. Naghahanap sila ng magandang belo dito. No, Palillo to Chimo. Palahe with 3 seconds left. Loses the ball. Palillo takes it. Chimo. And now Olivares has the ball. Spin move over 3 defenders is good. What a play. Coast to coast basket coming in from jersey number 23. Maikong.
Now Olivares College really changing the momentum for this third quarter. Hayaan ba yan ng NCF? Palahe. No good. Escalante with that rebound. Heavily guarded right now. Manuel diretso passes to Vergara. Now Escalante to Manuel. A lost opportunity. No, NCF Tigers. 2 free throws.
Sayang nun belo doon from Olivares College. Disappointed ang coach nila dito. Tatlo na sila sa ilalim and they were hesitant to take the shot. Look at that, buelong-buelo na sana. 3 chances. A mistake. A crucial mistake from the Olivares College. Now Palillo on the line to take his free throws to extend their lead. A 4-point lead na meron dito ngayon ng NCF Tigers.
Well, Escalante is free to take that shot, but he still passed it to his teammate. With that, they lost that opportunity to lessen the gap of NCF Tigers.
And of course, shout out to our food sponsors for this day. Nela Bahan Laundry Shop at 54 Misericordia Street, Barangay Tinago, Naga City, owned by Mr. Nel Brutas. Our lunch, Taste of Spice, located at Mayon Avenue, Naga City, and our dinner, Warlin Catering. Thank you so much for feeding us, and nabusog niyo po kaming lahat.
And now, Palillo na ipasok ang kanyang pangalawang free throw dito, 37-42. Now Escalante again with the ball. They need this chance. Passes to Nyase. 13 to shoot. Goes inside. That's it. Lucky bounce para dito kay Nyase.
One-on-one doon si Nyase and Jimo for that basket. Now the Tigers quick attack. And still a mistake from the side of the Tigers. Muntik pa nilang and nabitawan nila yung bola. And now Olivares College a chance to turn these things around. 42-39 their score. Still in favor for the Tigers with 4 minutes and 17 seconds remaining.
Pinakamaliit na kalamangan ng NCF Tigers, everyone, 3 puntos. Manuel, heavily guarded by Palahe, passes to Nyase. 12 seconds to shoot here. Escalante, a fake now to Vergara. 3-pointer, no good. Offensive rebound, once again. This time Manuel with the ball. Took it inside, Escalante. Na-slide pa dito. Grabe yung mga ball opportunity dito sa side ng Olivares College. Ito na sana yung turning point ng kanilang kupunan. And they were asking to sweep the floor. Medyo madulas daw, sabi dito ng coaching staff ng Olivares College.
Di natin yan maiwasan sa ating hardcourt kasi ang mga pawis ng ating mga players through the energy and ang kainitan ng ating laban dito.
Yes. And they need to double check that kasi delikado din sa mga players kapag masama yung landing dito. Again, 39-42. A very close match sa ating third quarter. From a big gap, now just 1 ball possession point.
And of course, habang nagpe-prepare ang ating mga players and referees dito. And did you know that OBL is the only league that provides insurance to its players in the entire region? Kaya naman, our second South Luzon Invitational Basketball players and the exhibition game participants are insured by Stronghold Insurance Company. Incorporated, OBL's official insurance partner, Diyos Mabalos Stronghold Insurance Company Incorporated. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta. And to our food sponsors, Nailabahan Laundry Shop, 54 Misericordia Street, Barangay Tinago, Naga City, owned by Mr. Nel Brutas. And our lunch, Taste of Spice, located at Mayon Avenue, Naga City. And dinner, Warlin Catering. Thank you so much. Nabusog niyo po kaming lahat, mga volunteers and the media team. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan na. Maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsors. And right now, Nyase, first free throw, he misses it. Well, even the free throws is very important for the OCC Lions. Pero itong si Nyase medyo nahihirapan. Start pa lang ng first quarter natin yung kanilang mga free throws dito. Laging namimintes. I think bilang pa lang sa kamay yung na-shoot ditong free throw ni Nyase.
Nahihirapan dito mahanap ni Nyase yung kanyang pulso from this game. Now, the Tigers only having this 3-point lead. Guades takes that jumper over Nyase. Olivares College, sabay-sabay silang tumatakbo towards the ring. Decides to get that jumper is good. Isa na lamang ang lamang dito ng NCF Tigers, and yun yung sinasabi natin kanina, Tin. Once magsimula dito yung Olivares College na makapagkuha ng puntos, dire-diretso na yan, magiging gitgitan lalo ang ating laban.
Now, let's see if this 1-point lead of NCF Tigers lalagyan pa nila ng puntos, but is still coming from the side of Olivares College. Vergara, dire-diretso against Gimo. Look at that last sequence. Vergara isn't scared anymore. He is pushing inside. Big man Gimo, di alintana sa daanan dito ni Vergara. And with that last sequence, Olivares College is now on the lead by 1 point.
Look at the replay. Despite the height disadvantage, walang takot dito sa Vergara to attack Gimo on that possession. Look at that confidence coming in, getting the 2 points and getting the lead before the quarter ends. And babalik tayo dito lamang yan sa Oragon Sports.
43-42 on our scoreboard. Olivares College is getting out of their shell, and right now, paunti-unti na nilang talagang ina-execute yung game plan na binigay sa kanila ng kanilang coaching staff. Right now, the momentum that the NCF Tigers built from first quarter to second quarter has now vanished, because Olivares College is now on the lead of 1 point. Two minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Olivares College looking good for this quarter. Grabe din yung kanilang hinabol dito against NCF Tigers. But right now, the ball is still alive. The game is still long. So ang dami pa pong pwedeng mangyari dito sa ating third quarter, even sa 10 minutes ng ating fourth quarter. So no room for complacency for both teams. And after that, quite a scene on the side of Olivares College na binigay sa atin ni Vergara. Ano pa kaya yung potensyal na maipapakita ng Olivares College dito? And now we can hear the supporters of NCF Tigers. I think this is the first time na sumigaw sila ng sabay-sabay as they are supporting the team NCF, dahil ngayon nga nakalamang na ng isang puntos ang Olivares College. This time, they need to be one team.
Alam nilang kailangan ngayon ng Tigers ang kanilang suporta. Especially the pressure is on. Lumamang na ngayon ng Olivares College, their first lead for this game.
After a long minutes of first, second, and third quarter, first time that the Olivares College nakuha yung kanilang kalamangan dito. And it was worth it. They really fought well on that last sequence, on that last, for this third quarter. So now let's see anong gagawin ni Coach Brian Ayo. The momentum that they built, nakuha na ngayon, napabagsak ng Olivares College. Pero too early to say on who's gonna win this semi-final round. As we all know, NCF Tigers grabe pa yung ipapakitang potensyal dito sa loob, and even the Olivares College. So it's anyone's game. It's anyone's basketball.
Marami pang pwede mangyari. Sa ating third quarter pa lang with 2 minutes and 48 seconds. And our referees are checking.
Now the referees are discussing something on the side of NCF Tigers, and the game still continues as it is NCF's basketball. 2 minutes and 48 seconds remaining. Full shot clock for NCF Tigers, 43-42 with that 1-point gap of Olivares College. Now Guades to Gimo. 15 to shoot. Reala now releases a 3. No good. Nagkagawa sa rebound. Pueda. And a turnover for the Olivares College. An opportunity to make this a big gap for them.
Head-to-head battle ngayon. Kita ng laban, din natin malalaman kung sino makakapag-pull off. And now, Manuel has the ball, looking for an isolation here. Again, Sarenzana. Now the Sea Lions moving the ball around. Manuel, step back jumper, no good. Rebounded by his teammate for a fadeaway jumper as well. Wala pa rin for Olivares. Yan, ball possession pa rin ng Sea Lions with 14 seconds left to shoot.
Now same ball possession here. 14 seconds, Vergara to inbound. Looking for his teammates, Nyase. 13 to shoot against Gimo, forcing his way in. That's good with the help of the glass. Olivares College, talagang they're really persistent on getting a big lead out of this game.
Yes, very consistent on his low post there, using his body. And hindi siya takot kahit medyo mas matangkad sa kanya si Gimo. Now Guades tries for a 3-pointer. It's good! That's his third 3-pointer for this game. Tying the score for the NCF Tigers, 45 all.
Now, very crucial quarter right now. No room for errors. The ball will stay on the side of Olivares College. And we are tied on 45 all sa ating third quarter. Warm up lang pala yung first and second quarter. Third quarter is the game of semifinals.
Kinakapalang kanina yung ring. And now Nyase tries for a second. Grabe dito yung ginagawang shooting ni Nyase sa ilalim. Using his body, driving to the paint. Kahit sino babanggain talaga ni Nyase to get that easy buckets.
57 seconds remaining. NCF is down by 2 points. Gimo stretching in. Pueda. Good ball rotation. And Guades once again on the same spot, putting it in.
Grabe dito Guades. That's his fourth 3-pointer. And 3 points in a row. Guades pretty consistent on his shooting form there. One of the key players for the NCF kung bakit sila lumalamang. Look at that replay. Nakahanap dito ng belo si Guades and shooting it.
Well, he really did great dito sa laban nila against Olivares College. All of the players of NCF Tigers actually, this is very different from what we've witnessed during their fight against UNC Greyhounds, from Guangming College, or even the Faith Colleges. This is very different since it's the semifinals at kalaban pa nila itong Olivares College. 47-48, Panela now for his free throw. First free throw.
Maingat din ang ating mga teams when it comes to fouling for this game kasi they will not give any opportunity for the other team to get free throws.
38 seconds remaining. We are tied on 48 all. And this free throw of Panelo can get them a 1-point lead. He misses it. Gimo with that rebound. 21 seconds on the shot clock of NCF Tigers. 𝐲𝐓 once again with the ball. He is on fire for this match against Olivares College. The man of the hour, Gmo. Now 𝐲𝐓, 5 seconds. Will he get it? Mauubusan na ng oras. No good. Ball stays on the side of NCF with only 13 seconds remaining. Wow, an intense match between these two teams. 13 to shoot on the side of NCF Tigers. Can they get the lead or tie at the end of this quarter? Pujeda, Trialo, 12 to shoot. 𝐲𝐓 once again, same spot, but different ending. NCF Tigers, and
Look at that.
what a good way to end our third quarter, Nino.
Tigers pa rin. Lumawang pa rin sila, ending this third quarter 50 to 48. A 2-point lead for the Tigers. Both teams, the energy is high. Grabe yung gigil dito ng mga players and the teams. They are ready to take on the fourth quarter. They are pumped up.
Yes. Medyo nagkakaroon na nga ng tension dito between the players of Olivares College and the calls of our referees. But what is sure is that NCF Tigers has a 2-point lead. But this is not the end of the semi-final match. We still have our final quarter, the deciding quarter of the game, only here on ORAGON Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace, with special exhibition game between WBISAKOL and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundaze Hotel, Lemon Residences, Tantan Apartelle, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, Goldtrans BTS, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF-College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Caceres, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Claypot Cafe, AET Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jaz Tire Master, Soul Fleet Naga, Digital Grapix, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Cancer Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort.
And the final quarter is on for the semi-final match of Olivares College and the NCF Tigers. It is still a long quarter to look out. NCF Tigers nga po may 2 puntos na kalamangan at the end of the third quarter. Now this is their ball possession and an opportunity to widen the gap. Gmo long two, no good. Nagkakagawan dito sa rebound. 𝐲𝐓, 10 seconds to shoot. And the whistled foul.
A restart for both our teams dito sa ating fourth quarter. Sino kayang mananaig? 30 seconds pa lang nakalipas and these two teams, grabe yung energy. Tigers may hawak ng bola. Nakakuha, natapik dito ng Olivares College. 𝐲𝐓 tries for a jumper. He was fouled. And he will get 2 chances at the free throw line. The players need every point that they need, and every opportunity they need to take it. Especially this is the 4th quarter. Lahat ng pagod, lahat ng preparation ng ating coaches and the players for the team na mga kalaban nila, ilalabas na nila talaga dito sa the final moments of our game. Guard is no good on the first free throw.
Now, Guares on the free throw line. Now, Olivares College on the offense. Michael, a whistled foul. Nine minutes and 17. There's still a lot of time. Olivares College now on the offense. Now to hear an update naman sa side ng Olivares College, we have our courtside reporter Casey. Casey, take it away.
The intensity is higher than ever here at the UNC Sports Palace. The fans are at the edge of their seats dahil nga dikita ng bakbakan natin ngayong hapon, Nino and Tin. Now the Sea Lions are closing the gap and they plan to extend this performance until the last buzzer. We are now on the last quarter and you can feel the momentum shifting here. The Sea Lions have found their rhythm and the question now is, can they sustain it hanggang sa final buzzer? Yan ang ating aabangan as the 4th quarter goes by. But for now, back to the panel.
Thank you so much, Casey, for that update from the Sea Lions. And tamang-tama ka nga doon. Kailangan dito ma-maintain ng Olivares yung energy na ipinapakita nila, because NCF Tigers are answering back to every shot that they are making. And Olivares College or NCF Tigers, sino kaya makakapag-pull off ng dire-diretsong streak when it comes to scoring?
Now, we are tied on 50 all. NCF Tigers on the offense right now. An opportunity to take on the lead head over the ball. Gimo, 13 seconds to shoot. NCF Tigers. Guades to try a three-pointer once again. This time, he misses it. OC, Sea Lions. Panelo. Heavily guarded here, Manuel pushes in.
Realo decides to take it slowly for this possession. Spalaje. A whistle blown by our referees. And Palillo will go in, getting ready to enter the court.
Now, 14 seconds to shoot on the side of NCF Tigers, and we are still tied on 50 all. Diktika na talaga ang laban dito, kaya tatanungin naman natin sa side ng NCF Tigers kung ano nga ba ang plan ni Coach Brian for this last quarter. We have our courtside reporter, Eugene.
Tin and Nino, pagpasok ng 3rd quarter kanina, tumaas ang intensity ng NCF Tigers. Mas naging aggressive sila sa rebounds, mas mabilis ang ball distribution at mas alert sa rotations. Every player step up to timely baskets and strong defensive stops. This quarter showed their mental toughness and hunger to win. According kay Coach kanina, this quarter showed their character. Literal na character kung ano ang NCF Tigers. Characters defines contender. Bakalik sa inyo, Tin and Nino.
Thank you so much, Yuji, for that update from the side of the NCF Tigers. And the Tigers really need to pass the ball and take any chances na pwede nilang makuha, securing every shot that they make. Lalo na with a score of 50 all, kailangan ditong maging stricto ng NCF Tigers when it comes to their shot selection.
Right now, we also like to thank the presence of our Naga City Police Office to secure the crowd and to maintain peace inside the UNC Sports Palace. So kudos to our City Director, Police Colonel Fariñas, for the support of NCPO for our event tonight. Now back to the ball game. 50 all. Nasa 50 pa rin ang ating puntos dito at tik-tik pa rin yung depensang pinapakita and the offense of both teams.
Ball possession ngayon ng Tigers.
Now
Chimo, 3-pointer. No good. Yan, ball possession pa rin ng Tigers. Palilio to inbound the ball. 14 seconds to shoot.
Now NCF Tigers ball possession once again. Pujeda looking for his teammate. Passes to Jimo. Back to Pujeda, heavily guarded by Manuel. 10 seconds now. Palilio for a 3-pointer. Still no good.
Look at that save.
Jimo.
Palahid didn't give up on that possession, and dahil doon nakakuha dito ng magandang opportunity si Jimo. 2 points, may kasama pang foul. Look at that. Jimo slamming through that defense.
So right now, look at that instant replay. Now Jimo on that free throw line. Two-point lead of NCF, making it 3. With that, the timeout was called on the side of OLIVARES College. They need to strategize their plan here. Kung ano ba yung larong ipapakita nila dito with this remaining time of 7 minutes and 49 seconds. Well, Panelo, Renon, the rest of the players of OLIVARES College seems quiet. So now, someone needs to step up for the team of OCZ Lions if they really want to snatch this game beyond the finals and make the travel worth it.
And with this huddle, makita natin ang coaches from both teams strategizing on these last moments of our game. 7 minutes and 49 seconds remaining. 53-50 ang score. Marami pang pwede mangyari. And
of course, gusto lang din namin pasalamatan ang aming mga sponsors: Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Camser Ice Center, Glasshouse Beach Resort, Safe Side Transport, Nilabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Gordon Cafe, Al Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bites Center, H2J Food Corner, Asauro Canteen at RC Food Stall. Now back to the ball game here with 3-point lead of NCF Tigers. This is the last quarter of the semi-final game. So after this quarter, let's see, we'll take home the win and be on the finals.
the tension is high for these two teams. The OLIVARES College and the NCF. Now Vergara, nakakawala dito again. Challenging Jimo, but unsuccessful in that layup this time.
Now Jimo looking for his teammates. Pujeda, 10 seconds to shoot here. Sayang yung kay Vergara kanina. Medyo napaikse yung kanyang paghatol doon. Now, rebound coming from the side of OLIVARES. Pero Palilio snatch it. Now Jimo goes inside, but a traveling violation was committed.
Traveling violation called by referees. And nakikita nila ngayon. Every little step na nakikreate dito ng ating mga players, kitang-kita ng ating referees. That's SBP.
I think we ended the third quarter by 50 all.
50 all?
Yes. At hindi ba nakakapuntos ng OLIVARES College dito? Well, 3 points naman sa NCF Tigers. So right now with the ball possession of OLIVARES College, Sea Lions. They need to do something to add a point. Vergara now with the ball. Heavily guarded by Realo. Loses that ball. What a defense coming from the side of NCF. Making sure that every ball possession counts on their team. And turnovers on the side of Olivares. Now Pujeda with the ball. 18 seconds to shoot for NCF. 50-53. Pujeda. Derecho. No good. A whistle foul. At mamaya po, abangan po natin ang last game this evening for our exhibition game. It's between the WB Sofia and OBL All-Stars. At para sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, hindi na po makakarating si Calvin Nueva to play on the side of WB Sofia. But Vic Manuel for sure will be present. And still, even with the absence of Calvin Nueva, it will still be a worth game to watch.
Now warning for technical on the player of NCF Tigers. Now Vergara has the ball.
Now Manuel to Escalante. Nyase, long two. Still no good. Realo with that rebound. He secures that one. NCF on the offense. Having that 3-point gap. Palillo, 12 to shoot. Gimo now, step back for a 3-pointer behind the line.
Grabe.
Gimo proving.
Lahat na tumitira ng 3-pointers dito sa side ng NCF Tigers, and look at the crowd of the Tigers roaring as Gimo takes the 3-pointer. It's actually my first time seeing Gimo taking a 3-pointer.
Pambawi, no good for Olivares. Now NCF Tigers, the crowd goes wild after that 3-pointer coming from Gimo. He really play well this time. Realo, no good. Yase with that rebound. Olivares College is down by 6. Vergara to Escalante. Na tries for a 3-pointer in and out basket. Well, ang daming opportunity sana dito sa side ng Olivares College, but still, they're struggling to convert it into a point. 10 seconds to shoot on the side of NCF. Palillo tries. Too short.
Nagiging physical na dito ang ating laban. Papalapit na tayo sa katapusan. With 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining. The tension is getting high. Players head to head. Nagiging manipis na rin yung tawag ng ating referees because players are getting physical as we near the end of our game. Now, nag-iikot na ng players dito ang Olivares College. Manuel will take a rest here sa ating bench.
Now Renan checks in para sa Olivares College. Fans of NCF Tigers shouting defense here. While the fans of Olivares College is rallying behind them dito sa ating live coverage on ORAGON Sports TV. 50-56, 4 minutes and 39 seconds remaining, 6-point lead of NCF Tigers. Now, every ball possession counts for both teams, may it be Olivares or even NCF Tigers. 4 minutes, mahaba-haba pa sa 6 na puntos na kalamangan ng NCF. Now, they're making sure yung ating sahig dito sa loob ng UNC Sports Palace ay malinis at hindi madulas for the safety, of course, of our players. Now, Escalante to inbound. Given to Vergara. Renon. OC on the offense. Passes to Escalante. To Wolf to shoot. Nyase against Gimo. Grabe yung mga guardia ng NCF. Maikong without rebound. Passes to Vergara. Tries for a three-pointer. Still no good. Nyase for the third time. OC.
Wala ditong tumatama para sa Olivares College. And now they are pressured by the NCF Tigers. Rialo decides to calm down. And ngayon, still, nakuha ni Real yung bola. NCF Tigers, Arenzana. Jumper, no good. Arenzana gets a second chance, still no good. Third chance from Arenzana again. Foul was called by our referees. And he will go to the free throw line for a chance of 2 points. Grabe dito yung ginagawang trabaho ng NCF College. Back-to-back hustle. And now, the Olivares.
Well, kudos din kay Arenzana sa kanyang pag-rebound dito. 3 beses niya nilaban yung bola sa ibaba ng ring. And now he'll be on that free throw line for 2 shots here. 50-56. Will he make it an 8-point lead for NCF? First basket was no good. There's still a chance for OC. Arenzana. Second free throw. That's good. Now a 7-point lead. Kailangang habulin dito ng Olivares College. And still, no point for this final quarter on their team. Vergara to Maikong.
And
first basket. Pero bagong lahat, Nino, shoutout muna tayo dito sa ating live viewers, kay Jason Brudo, kay Christina Gabriana, kay Jameson Brenya, kay Jolar Cadiz, kay Janjan Basales, kay James Angelo Gabarda, kay Angelica Salcedo at kay Kim Monteroso. Maraming salamat po. And of course, kay Mariela Benido na nanonood po sa atin ng ngayong gabing ito. Maraming salamat po.
And also shoutout sa ating mga viewers dyan, Jane Samosa and Abby Batangas. Thank you so much for watching. And ngayon, the players are getting heated up sa ating laban, 50-57. And the coach of NCF Tigers asking for a replay on that one. A challenge. Olivares College, they are feeling the pressure na dinadala dito ng NCF Tigers. Ano kaya ang kanilang magiging plano to execute this game and end it well for their end?
Now, shout out to Kyle Armenia, Julius Marco, kay Jonas Sambo, kay Blasia Bitria, kay Joshua Arcangel, kay Ferdinand Bejerano. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagkatabay at sa palunod po ng ating pangatlong laro ngayong gabing ito. It's between the Olivares College and NCF Tigers for our semi-final round of 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. And of course, mamaya, last game, WB Sofia versus Oragon All-Stars.
And now, the Olivares College to inbound the ball with 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining. Maraming pwede mangyari dito. And we are making sure na safe ang ating hardcourt dito by mopping the floors and removing any sweat na nakikita dito ng ating mga moppers.
Well, marami na din kasi even yung mga nauna nating mga games ang dami ding nadulas dito sa loob ng court. So, we are making sure that every player is safe. Kasi mahirap na ma-injure itong ating mga players dito. 3 minutes and 28 seconds remaining, 52-57 in favor of NCF Tigers with that 5-point lead. 14 seconds on the shot clock here for Olivares College Sea Lions. Now, while they're taking their time here, I would like to thank our dearest sponsor, sa Stronghold Insurance Corporated, Soy Satay Malaysian, kay Brizuela Builders, TRTV, Rufian's Tavern Bar and Lounge, Lotus Blue Hotel at CBD Plaza Hotel. And now, we're taking more time on cleaning the floor, sweeping it, making sure walang aksidenteng mangyari dito. But on the other side of the court, Olivares College having a discussion with the officials. Now back to the ball game here. Again, 52-57, 5-point lead of NCF Tigers. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 28 seconds. It's the Olivares basketball. Daming nangyayari dito sa ating final quarter. But still, the enjoyment of the game is still on.
And warning for delaying the game has been called for the NCF Tigers. Medyo may natapon natang tubig doon or pawis ng ating players. Now Escalante for that floater, no good. Realo gets the rebound for the Tigers. And now Guades has the ball, telling his teammates to calm down. Screen from Gimo. Realo left wide open on the two-pointer is good. Andre Realo of the Tigers consistent on his shooting.
And now NCF Tigers really securing a spot for finals. Reno naman
firing back.
Para dito sa Olivares College, the game is still alive with that 5-point lead. $55-59 on our scoreboard now. Offensive foul. Pero another discussion with the officials here with their call on that last sequence. 2 minutes and 32. So, 2 points yung naging puntos doon ng NCF. 55-59. 4-point lead of NCF Tigers, 2 minutes and 32 seconds. At dami pa pong pwedeng mangyari sa haba ng oras na ito. There's still a chance for Olivares, and there's also a chance for NCF Tigers, so who knows?
Crucial game, crucial moments. Napapatagal na dito yung tawag ng ating mga referees. And right now, upset ang Olivares College. And intindihan naman natin yun because nothing is hitting for them at the moment dito sa ating fourth quarter. A very tight match defensively from both teams. And hindi pa nagkakaroon ng penalty situation throughout this game. And ganun kaingat ang ating mga players and the teams when it comes to defending their opponents properly. Referees are making a decision.
And we're still waiting for that final call. So that's an offensive foul. Now, OCC Lions. Their basketball game is still alive here. Olivares College on the offense now. Vergara magtatawid ng bola dito for OC. 7 seconds to shoot. Renon, another three-pointer. That's good. Wow. Now this is it. Just a point lead of NCF Tigers. We are about to hear the last warning. 2-minute mark.
Look at that three-pointer coming in from Olivares College. The game is now 59-58. NCF only having a 1-point lead. Guades heavily guarded by Vergara here. Guades for the floater. Guades gets it in. And now stretching the lead to 3 points. Vergara, what will he do here for the team? What will be his call? Heavily guarded by Guades. And now Manuel. Extra pass.
Another slipping incident here for OC. 58-61. 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining. NCF Tigers on the lead. Pero Renon, tinapik ang bola. Ball possession of OC. Renon now.
Renon, mag-isa dito. Pero nandyan na ang kanyang mga teammates. Skirmishing. Heavily guarded here by the Tigers. And whistle called by a referees with that foul. Nahihirapan dito ang Olivares College with a tight defense ng NCF Tigers. What will happen with the remaining minute and 19 seconds of our game? 12 seconds on the shot clock. 61-58 our score. NCF still leading the game by 3 points.
What a game we are witnessing right now between Olivares College and NCF Tigers. Dahil yun na nga po, kapag nagtatapat ang Olivares and NCF, make sure talaga na it will be an intense one. 58-61, a minute and 19 seconds remaining here. And Maikong will be on that free throw line. First free throw of Maikong. Kailangan nilang ipasok ngayon ang free throw. No room for errors. And he gets it. Now just 2-point lead.
First shot is good for Maikong.
Maikong, second free throw. He misses it. Nyase with that rebound. An opportunity for Olivares. Three-pointer. In and out basket. He almost gets it. Grabing bakbakang Tigre at Sea Lions ang ating natutunghayan po ngayong gabing ito. A minute and 7 seconds. Kailangan niyo pong kumapit dito dahil ilang segundo na lamang. A minute and 7 remaining. And a free throw will be given to Aranzana.
And now the NCF Tigers stretching their lead. Two out of 2 on the free throw line, Aranzana. Timeout called by Olivares College. Hoping to make a play. What a game that we have here. NCF Tigers leading this game only by 4 points. Kaya marami pang pwede mangyari with this last minute and 7 seconds.
Kaya naman ngayon, no room for errors na for Olivares College. Ang dami yung kanilang nagawa dito. All throughout this game, ang daming opportunity yung nawala sa side ng Olivares College. So right now, with this remaining a minute and 7 seconds, they need to do everything, they're 100%, give it all na, and even the NCF Tigers to maintain this lead. So, hindi pa rin natin alam. It's anyone's game. A minute and 7 seconds is still a long time for this kind of basketball game. 59-63, 4-point lead of NCF Tigers, and the game is still on. There's a lot of things that can happen. So let's see on the side of Olivares College, how will they do this? Can they lessen the gap? Can they get the win? There's so many questions, but we can answer that after the last buzzer.
Vergara still the point guard for Olivares College. Very consistent throughout this game. First until the fourth quarter. Hindi ko siya nakitang na-sub out actually.
Now Vergara to inbound. 1 minute and 7, everyone. They're down by 4 points. Vergara to Nyase. There's some miscommunication on the side of Olivares. Manuel, too short. You can see the frustration on the side of Olivares College here.
Walang masyadong tumatama from their end. And with these crucial moments of our game, kailangan nilang makakuha ng puntos, lalo't na 4 points ang lamang ng NCF Tigers.
54 seconds remaining. There's still a big chance here for both teams. Most especially, the momentum is on the side of NCF. Another slipping incident here. Guades goes inside. Pass to Arenzana. The ball stays on the side of NCF Tigers.
And timeout called from the NCF Tigers. Gagawa na dito ng inbound plays Coach Brian. Olivares College. Ano kaya ang kanilang gagawin? 42 seconds remaining. They need to tighten up their defense, their offense. And the coach of Olivares pretty upset on what's happening. The players are cold. They are down at the moment. Hindi nila makuha yung kanilang momentum and yung energy for this game. NCF Tigers on the other hand, palong-palo sila ngayon na manalo. Back-to-back points from them, the defensive stops, and the consistency from the first quarter hanggang fourth. And with the buzzer beating, let's see what will happen for this crucial moments of our game. 42 seconds remaining with 13 seconds on the shot clock.
Now Olivares College. Well, we've witnessed them play here in Naga City, but this is not their full potential if you're really a fan of Olivares College. So actually we're waiting for a much more intense game aside from this, but let's see, with this 42 seconds remaining, will there be a change here with this 4-point lead of NCF Tigers?
A lot can happen with this 42 seconds. Now Palillo to inbound the ball for the Tigers. Nakita niya si Guades. Now Guades, extra pass to Rialo, to Arenzana, shaking off the defender's second stance. Wala pa rin ang Olivares with 27 seconds remaining. 59-63 ang ating score, coast to coast. Kick out pass, Vergara waiting for the ball, Guades for the steal. And now, inubos na lang ng NCF ang oras. Rialo tries for a 3-pointer, no good.
There's still a chance for Olivares College. This is a 4-point lead of NCF Tigers, but if they can get a 3-pointer with a foul, that's a 4-point play. But with the defense na pinapakita ng NCF Tigers, let's see if this will be possible.
A lot can happen with this last 8 seconds of our game. Nakita na natin to dati, and now the crowd of NCF standing as they cheer on their team. Grabe. Nakakatindig balahibo ang nangyayari dito sa UNC Sports Palace. Olivares College, they need to pick up their pace. Plan on anong gagawin nila for this last possession of the game. With 8.4 seconds, let's see kung mako-convert ito ng Olivares College, or will the NCF Tigers prevent this from happening?
So let's see who will take home the win and have the ticket for the finals of this second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Will it be the NCF Tigers with a 4-point lead, or the Olivares College who's down by 4 points? So anything can happen. NCF can win this game, or even Olivares can win this game. So no room for errors. They need to focus right now with only 8 seconds remaining. Now, this is the ball possession of Olivares College. They have 8 seconds to shoot. Will it be a 3-point with the foul, or NCF will take home the win? Vergara now to win down. Last 8 seconds.
Yun na, the crucial moments of our game. Vergara has the ball. Naghahanap ng magandang mapapasahan. Catch and shoot. And walang nakitang kontak ang ating referees doon. NCF Tigers has the ball possession. Timeout called. And now Olivares College, they are upset on what's happening for this game. Oh no, Olivares College scolded throughout the game and until the last seconds.
5 seconds remaining. And Olivares College just lost an opportunity on that last sequence. But let's see if this 5 seconds will be a go for the side of NCF Tigers. Snatch the win. Now, instant replay on that last sequence.
Wala talagang contact from that play.
Well, it's still a good game for NCF Tigers and Olivares College. They really carry their school name behind them. The fans rallying sa NCF and even Olivares College. It is still a worth game to watch.
5.4 seconds. Pwede pang mangyaring milagro dito. And that's just a 4-point lead. Let's see.
5 seconds, NCF Tigers basketball. Palillo to inbound. Will it be the final buzzer for NCF Tigers on getting this win? Now Guadas heavily guarded. And a whistled foul. 3 seconds rather, remaining. And Sir Mario Villanueva watching from the bench, the president of Naga College Foundation Tigers. Now Guadas, free throw. That's good. Well, he is making sure that the NCF will get the win this evening. With 3 seconds remaining in the 5-point lead, it will be hard for Olivares College para habulin pa to. But let's see. We're just waiting for the final buzzer. 6-point lead. And NCF Tigers is looking for the win. And the Olivares College congratulating the first team that will be on the finals, which is the NCF Tigers. It is still a good game. We've witnessed everyone. So congratulations for Olivares College. Galing pa sila sa Parañaque, and of course NCF Tigers on getting the win for the 3 matches against Olivares College. This is the first time that they get the win from this team. And sa ating nyo, it will be our best player of the game from the side of NCF Tigers only here on Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
The second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament, powered by PLDT. February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. February 7, 6 p.m. Ticket prices, 30 pesos for regular game and 50 pesos for exhibition game. Presented by Sundaze Hotel, Lemon Residences, Tantan Apartelle, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort, GOLDTRANS BTS, Naga College Foundation Incorporated, NCF-College of Health Sciences, University of Nueva Caceres, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, Claypot Cafe, AET Ads, DLP Printing Services, Jaz Tire Master, Fleet Naga, Digital Graphics, SK Federation of Naga City, Midnight Society, Summit Hotels and Resorts, Go Hotels, Cancer Eye Center, Glass House Beach Resort, Safeside Transport, Nalabahan Laundry Shop, 3M Bakery, Win Radio 107.9 Naga, Garden Cafe, El Chico Smokehouse, St. Jude Animal Bite Center, Carl's Catering, Warning Catering, Paraprint Digital Printing Services, Zona Uno, Taste of Spice, Tanshahan Foods, 101 Mall, Lotus Blue Hotel, CBD Plaza Hotel, and Ruffian's Tavern Bar and Lounge.
The digital age is here. They warn us of a cold, efficient world where the human touch is lost to automation, but we refuse to accept that choice. At Naga College Foundation, we believe the best future is one led by heart. We equip you with the skills you need to thrive. From our dynamic programs in finance and business, to the hands-on fields of IT and engineering, through our vital health sciences, our justice programs in criminology, and the crucial roles of education in the arts, we cover the entire spectrum of tomorrow's workforce. Here, you don't just become future ready, you become a worker with empathy, a leader who understands that technology must serve humanity. Choose the college that prepares you not just for the job, but for the world. The future is here at NCF. Enroll at Naga College Foundation. Let us build a brighter, kinder tomorrow.
Lemon Residences, official residence of the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament.
Marahay na aldaw ang 𝐒𝐍𝐃 College, participant in the second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament here in Naga City. Dagos po kamo hindi sa Lemon Residences.
February 6 to 8 at the UNC Sports Palace with special exhibition game between WB Sofia and Oragon All-Stars. Get your tickets now.
Hey everyone! Welcome to NCF Basic Education Department, where we're not just learning,
We're changing the game. First stop, the library. Oh wait, this isn't your typical library.
Nope. Here at NCF, the library is a vibe, a space for collab, creativity, and discovery. Changing the game? Absolutely.
And now we are with the best player of the game, brought to you by Lemon Residences, by jersey number 18, G. Mumuni, with 11 points, 9 rebounds, 2 assists, 4 steals, and 1 block of NCF Tigers. With his outstanding performance on both ends of the floor, he became a major factor in the day's victory. So, good evening, Mumuni. How do you maintain your focus and composure in high-pressure moments for these games, despite na you are facing with Olivares before?
Looking at the fact that we faced Olivares before, and we know their playing style, we just have to adjust to it. And when they play, when they pressure us, we just stick to the system. Thank you.
What is the meaning of this win for you and for your team?
This is a very big win for me and my team because we have a very rough start, and going into the finals is very special for all of us. Thank you.
Lastly, what's your message for the NCF community out here?
I would like to give a shout out to everyone supporting us, the Tigers community, and I would like to say that I love you all. We love you all. Thank you. Continue to support us, and we promise not to fail you. Thank you.
Again, congratulations to the NCF Tigers for winning these matchups against the Olivares Paranaque. And literal guys, nagbigay sila ng magandang laban. And before we go back to the panel, we have a very, very special guest, the official uniform provider of the 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. We have on Discord Miss Olive Rica Franzuan, the owner of BISAKOL Outdoorshop. Good evening po, ma'am. Thank you po for giving the best quality t-shirts like this po. So, how does it feel po na naging bahagi kayo ng historic 2nd South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament dito sa Naga City?
Actually, okay. To start our talk, I'd like to congratulate muna ang OBL, the organizer of this event, for making this possible dito sa satuyang lugar. And of course, nakaka-proud and nakakaugma na ang BISAKOL was chosen as one of the major sponsors of this event. So, we're looking forward na mas gulpi pa mga activities na arugkan niyo.
Very well said, ma'am. Please tell us more about the BISAKOL and paano po kami makaka-avail ng premium quality services na ino-offer po ng BISAKOL?
Okay. Actually, in BISAKOL Outdoorshop, our main goal is to provide premium quality and affordable sportswear, not only in Bicol region but also in Visayas area. So actually, as of now, ang prices natin ranges from 295, well quality na yan, and 3 to 5 days lang siya ang lead time. So currently, we are located at Zone 6, Belmagaraw, Camarines Sur, and very soon to open at Peña Francia Avenue. Katabi lang siya ng New Minds That Matter. So you can also contact us at our page, BISAKOL Outdoorshop, and to our contact number 0923-966-5051 and 0919-535-3913.
Thank you again, ma'am. Miss Olive Rica Franzuan, the BISAKOL owner, for giving us the best quality uniforms like this po. Maraming salamat po. And for this time, as the tournament continues, the NCF Tiger remains a team to watch their mindset, preparations, and hunger for success continue to drive their journey. This is Eugene Nueva reporting courtside. Stay tuned for more basketball action only here on ORAGON Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon.
And that's it for the best player of the game. We have G. Mumuni of the NCF Tigers dominating from the first quarter hanggang sa fourth quarter. Talagang pinakita ni Gmo ang kanyang kakayahan and naipanalo ng NCF Tigers against the Sea Lions. And that was our BISAKOL sponsors as well, yung nag-sponsor ng ating mga damit, and talagang naramdaman natin na ang ganda ng quality. We are pretty confident on what we have. And once again, that was the game. NCF versus the Olivares College. Once again, my name is Nino Mendoza, one of your commentators for this game.
And I am Cristina Alcanzo Reyes. Naghihintay na nga po ang NCF Tigers sa finale ng ating second South Luzon Invitational Basketball Tournament. Kaya naman po sa ating last game this evening, it will be between the WB Sofia versus Oragon All-Star para sa ating exhibition game. Only here on Oragon Sports TV,
Liga ng mga Kampiyon.